Hey there again, we're going to dive deep into TextViews this time. So remember that a single element is a view, so a piece of text is a view, an image is a view. So we're going to look at TextViews for this one, and just open up your res layouts and activity main, and that's this screen. Remember to click the preview button. That's going to show your preview. So we're going to edit this text view. Now remember, we can always change the text with the text attribute. So if you put hey there, we can change it. We can always change the size by doing text size. We can put it to 20. Now for text size, we always put SP. What SP means is that anytime a user on their phone changes their font size in their settings, this will change accordingly. So we can put like 20, or we can put 30 SP. 50 SP. That's good. We can change the color, and that's text color. And to figure out a color, we can do at SP. We can pick out a color by doing like a code, a color code. So we can do like white, and you can see the white box right here. That's what the color will look like. So we'll do black. You can also do things like text styles, which is bold or italic. So if we do bold, be bold, and italic. Okay, italic. I think I'm going to put as bold. Alright, now we're going to learn about positioning. We're just going to try and position the text view in the middle of the screen. So how we can do that is by doing attributes like center vertical, layout center vertical, and make that a true. And that center is the text view in its parent. And remember, the parent is that white piece that's over here. And then we can do center horizontal, do from left to right, and make that true, and now it's in the center. Now we can edit things in Java, but first we need a way to access it. To access it in Java, we need an ID. This is a universal ID in our app, and we just need it unique. So we can do hey there text. Just do that. And to get, now every single piece of our code should go in on create. That's kind of when our app starts, the on create method is started automatically. So we're going to get the text view, and to get that we need to have a class text view and name it to like hello text equals, and this method find view by ID. So we're finding our view, our text view, by its ID, which is right here, the hey there text. Now to get that ID, we need to do r dot ID dot hey there text. Now you have an error, so let's see what that is. We can do alt enter. I see we need to cast it to text view. That's fine. Now we have a text view in Java. We can edit it. We can do anything we want. So what we're going to do is we're going to kind of make it clickable. So we can do hello text dot set on click listener. So this is a listener that listens to clicks on that specific view. So whenever the text view is clicked, this will be called here. So this is our listener, set on click listener, and whenever it's clicked, this function will be called. So we want to do something like we can set the text color to, and we have a class called color, and we can change colors like, we can change the blue. Or we can change the little text set. We can change the size as well. Let's change it to like 60. Let's test that out now. So again, whenever we click the text, that's this set on click listener, this will be called. This whole method right here. I believe this is called the anonymous inner class. Let's start it up. And we have our emulator here. Let me just make this bigger. Oh, I can't. Okay, now we see hey there. Now let's click it. And now it changed color. See that? So when we clicked hey there, it pretty much, first when your app was started, it got this main activity, and it got the layout to show what it looks like. It called this method set on click listener to set a listener to this hello text. And then we clicked it, and that's what called this, and it changed the text color to blue and increased the text size. Now another thing we can do, when we click it, we can do a toast message. Actually, let's do a toast message and just do toast at the text. And this will just make it so it's a little tiny box in the bottom indicating something. So get context. So context is pretty much the context of the application, the activity. So this would be our activity, main activity. Now what do we do next? Let's see. Okay, figure out text. Let's put don't click me. What else? Duration. Toast.length short. And now don't forget this, we have to do dot show. Play that. So just to recap that, when we click our text view, it's going to change the color, it's going to change the text size, and then a box is going to appear on the bottom that says don't click me for a short period of time. And this is our toast message, don't click me. See that? Okay. now I think that's all. The next tutorial will be image views.